Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning. Welcome to A&J Family TV. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I roast my chicken. A soft chicken. We call it here polo. I'm going to be putting you through how I roast my polo. It's very nice, very delicious. So now I'm going to be introducing you to the meat I'm going to be using. It's chicken. This is the meat. I've already washed it. Already washed the meat. So to roast this meat, I have in here my garlic. I've already sliced it. It's garlic. So now I'm going to be adding olive oil to it. Some olive oil. At the same time, I'm going to be adding my lemon juice. At the same time, I'm going to be adding my aroma that I'm using. This aroma is contained of everything. Salt is inside there. Rosemary is inside. Everything has been mixed together. I'm going to be adding it 2 spoons to it. At the same time, I'm going to be adding some paprika, dry pepper to it as well. I'm going to be mixing everything together. So now I'm going to be adding my meat in here to the tray. So I'm going to be adding all the things that I mixed together, and I'm going to be pouring it to it. I'm going to be pouring it like this. I'm just going to be rubbing the sauce to the meat. At the same time, you are going to be turning it, then rub it. So this is it. Now we are going to be putting it inside the oven for like 1 hour 30 minutes for you to have a very nice roasting meat. You have to leave it. You have to leave it for like 1 hour 30 minutes. Alright, so now we are going to be putting inside the oven. See you soon. Then I'm going to be showing you all the things I'm going to be using, because today I'm going to be preparing potato porridge as well. So stay tuned as I put you through to other things I'm going to be using. As you can see, this is it. Now you put it in the oven. So now I'm going to be introducing you to what I'm going to be using to prepare my potato. This is the potato. I've already peeled it. This is the potato I'm going to be using today. I've already peeled the potato. I'm going to be using sausage meat for this potato. We call it here salsiccia. It's called sausage. So also I have my diced onions and my garlic as well. So now I'm going to be dicing this potato into smallest pieces. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I've already diced my potato. This is it, to smaller pieces. This is the sausage. I've already diced it as well. You can use any meat of your choice. So you can use any meat of your choice. It doesn't mean that you have to use sausage. You can use beef. You can use soft chicken as well. All right, so let me put you through. In this recipe, I'm not going to be using too much of ingredients because you know these children, when you prepare things that they don't know, they always ask questions. So I'm going to prepare it the way I prepare it for my children, the way my children love to eat it. All right, so you just look. You can also prepare it for your children. I believe they will love it because my children love it. All right, now I already have my pot. I'm going to be adding olive oil to it. Olive oil, I'm going to be adding it to it, to my pot. Okay. At the same time, I'm going to be adding my diced onions and my garlic. I'm going to be leaving it to cook for some minutes. Alright, now I'm going to be adding my sausage to it as well. I'm going to be mixing it together. At the same time, I'm going to be adding Maggi. I'm using this Maggi. This is the Maggi I'm using. I'm going to be adding one to it. At the same time, I'm going to be adding dry pepper, paprika to it as well. So we are going to be mixing it together. Just mix it together. Then you cover it for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Let's just say 3 minutes. Leave it to cook for like 3 minutes. On this recipe, we are not going to be adding any water to it because the potato is already contained of water. So you are not going to be adding any water. When I'm done mixing everything, I'm just going to be lowering my gas to the lowest heat. You can take 1 hour to cook because you are not going to add any water. Also, this sausage that I'm using, you know, sausage is already contained of salt. So you don't have to add salt to it at this point. You have to cook it and see if there is salt on it, if you can add a little bit of salt. Because when you add salt on this recipe, you are going to spoil everything with salt because the sausage is contained of salt already. Alright, so we leave it now to cook for like 3 minutes. Then we'll come and add the potato to it and mix it together. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it has been cooking for 3 minutes now. You can see. Now I'm going to be adding my potato to it now. We mix it together like this. Just as I said before, you are not going to be adding salt because the sausage is contained of salt. You just leave it to cook like this for now. Maybe later on you are going to be testing it to see if you are going to be adding some salt to it. Alright, now after done mixing everything, you just cover it with this foil paper. I'm going to be using this because we are going to be lowering our heat. So I'm going to be using this foil paper to wrap it, then I can cover it. Alright, we are going to be leaving it now for like 20 minutes on a low heat. Then later on we are going to check on it. See you soon. Okay, our potato have been cooking for like, let's see, for like 30 minutes now. Let's see what we got here. Wow. You can see I didn't add any water to it. You can see can see I didn't add any water to it. You can see how come of it, because the potato is already contained of water. You don't need any water at all. So this stage we are going to be testing if we have any salt on it, or we are going to be adding salt. I'm going to be adding just little bit of salt, just more salt. Just more. You can see the way it looks like. It's very nice. You can see. We are still going to be covering it again because the potato is still strong. Still going to be covering it for another 10 minutes again. Remember, on a low heat, on a very low heat. All right. Also, we are going to be checking on our meat in the oven. Look at that. It has been cooking. It has been in the oven for like 1 hour now. You can see it, the way it looks like. Always add this water to it. Just add the liquid that come out from it. This is the liquid that come out from the chicken. You can see the liquid. Always use the liquid on the top of the meat like this. Every time you check on it, you always add the liquid on top of it to give all the aroma that came out from the meat. You just use it to wet the meat like that. Then you let it cook, start cooking again. You see? Alright guys, see you in a bit. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. Let's see. Wow. This is it guys. I hope you love it. This is my potato porridge. It's very nice. It's very delicious. Prepare it to your children. They will love it. You can eat this potato with pane with bread. We call it pane here. You can eat it with anything. It's very nice. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. See you in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comment, and God will bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.